Everyone wants beautiful skin, smooth, resilient, lustrous, yum. But is it really possible for all of us to achieve that amazing glass skin look? What's the big secret that only some people seem to know? Time to investigate. If there really is a secret to amazing skin, I intend to find it, but I quickly came across the first hurdle. Everybody's skin is different, so of course there is no one-size-fits-all skincare routine. I realize we all need a tailor-made routine that's right for our particular skin. Unless you're a dermatologist, you're gonna need careful guidance to find the right routine for your skin. Okay, the first thing you need to do is identify your particular skin type. What are you working with? Dry skin, oily skin, or maybe neutral? Are you coping with pimples or wrinkles? The good news is that you really only need 3 essential types of skincare products. Let's repeat that. You really only need 3. Step 1 is to get rid of any oil and dirt, so we're starting with a clean canvas, super important. Experts typically advise cleansing your face twice daily with slightly warm water, followed by a rinse with cold water. If you are wearing makeup, use an oil-based cleanser to dissolve cosmetics, followed by a water-based cleanser to finish the job. Be careful not to over-cleanse, as it can lead to dryness and irritation. Avoid excessive scrubbing, strong cleansers with sulfates, or rinsing with hot water, as they can all strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it parched and flaky. Not a good look. Next, let's get to moisturizing your skin. You absolutely have to hydrate it to prevent dryness and inflammation. An ideal moisturizer should be lightweight, perfume-free, non-greasy, and should rehydrate your skin, leaving it plump and smooth. Look for ingredients such as ceramides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. The third and probably the most crucial step is the application of sunscreen. Prolonged exposure to UV light without protection can result in wrinkles, dark spots, and even DNA damage that may lead to skin cancer. Yikes! Be sure to use a sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30, preferably higher, that feels comfortable on your skin. Work it well in so you don't end up looking like a geisha. We love geisha, but that's not the look we're shooting for here. Remember, skin damage from the sun can occur even without visible burning. So that's the mighty trinity of skincare: cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen. And if you want to step up your skincare game, consider using a retinoid. Not everyone's gonna need this, but it can noticeably rejuvenate your skin, making it appear younger, smoother, and healthier. And who doesn't want that? Following the 3 basic steps should give most people clear skin. And when I say following, I mean every single day. Nobody said this was gonna be easy. However, your skincare routine may require additional elements depending on your specific skin type. For dry skin, consider using a hydrating moisturizer, toner, and serum to maximize moisture and nourishment, leaving your skin looking glossy and supple. For oily skin, you need products containing niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and retinol to regulate oil production, prevent pimple breakouts, and improve overall skin health. If you struggle with acne, opt for ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and tretinoin. These components help unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and reduce the formation of blackheads. Yuck! Be careful not to scrub at your face or use super harsh chemicals on your skin. Always go for gentle, smooth cleansers. Don't touch your face. That spreads nasty bacteria, and resist the temptation to wash your face too much as well. Lastly, and I cannot stress this enough, do not squish your spots. For wrinkles, regular use of vitamin A compounds such as retinol, retinoic acid, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C will noticeably reduce the look. Fabulous aloe vera is suitable for all skin types. Just buy a plant and you're good to go. It's mostly composed of water and it's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, serving as a potent antioxidant. Aloe vera also contains natural salicylic acid, which aids in preventing breakouts and helps to fade those pesky acne scars. Hyaluronic acid is another versatile ingredient suitable for all skin types. It swiftly hydrates the skin, giving it a plump and youthful appearance, while also reducing fine lines and promoting a smooth, supple complexion. Additionally, it boasts incredible anti-aging properties. Nice! You should always bear in mind that when it comes to skincare, less is often more. You really don't need a multitude of products. 5 at the absolute most is more than enough. Always start with low concentrations and gradually increase them. Starting with a high concentration product may irritate your skin and heighten sensitivity, and we do not want that. Although toners, essences, and serums are optional, they can elevate your skincare routine by delivering a concentrated blast of good nutrients and antioxidants. Serums in particular can enhance skin health, increase radiance, reduce fine lines, and even fade dark spots over time. However, let's get real, people. A genuine transformation extends beyond applying products and rinsing them away. If you genuinely want to achieve radiant skin, you absolutely have to prioritize the following. Sleep for a minimum of 8 hours each night. Drink plenty of water every day. Sweat out those toxins. Stick to a healthy, balanced diet. Be cool. Don't let stress get to you. Granted, this can all be quite challenging, especially that last one, but it is essential. How bad do you want fabulous skin? One final thought. Many skin issues come from eating all that oh so delicious but also naughty fried food, junk food, and processed food generally. So improving your diet can be a significant step towards healthier skin. Be strong! I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay stylish. Bye!